morning, y'all. Today we're going to do a creamy potato soup recipe, and you'll need to start this in early morning. So get you a 30-ounce bag of, or anything close to it, of the frozen diced potatoes, or hash browns. I think you could probably use shredded, but it's probably best if you use the cubed. You can find that. You need 3 cups of chicken broth, and those are made of bouillon cubes, and it's not fully dissolved, I know that, but it'll dissolve as it cooks. You need 1 can of creamy chicken soup, and that's the smaller can, regular size can. Okay, and then we need some chopped onion, and I ran out, so I'm going to use dried minced onion, and I'm going to put in quite a bit. Okay, and some black pepper. You're going to cook this on low for 6 to 8 hours, or high, maybe about 4 hours, and then there's something we'll have to do with this before serving, so meet me back here at the crock pot for that. See you in a little while. Okay, so we're at the end of the day, and it's time to add 8 ounces of cream cheese. Okay, so turn it on low and go ahead and melt that cheese, and then after that, should be done, ready to go. Okay, y'all, and I'll see y'all next time.